Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn flashlight on and off. So let's get started. Open settings. Now from settings scroll down a little bit and go to control center. And here we should add in included controls flashlight. Just scroll down and find flashlight. Here is it. Just tap on plus button and in control center we added flashlight. Okay, if you want to remove it, just swipe from right to left, hold finger and swipe and just tap remove. Okay, how to use flashlight? Just go to home and then we should open control center. On different iPhone we should swipe from top to down or swipe from down to top, and here you can see flashlight. Just tap on one time to enable flashlight, and if you want disable, again tap on it. Also you can hold finger on flashlight and change some different option. Just hold finger and here you can see different volume of flashlight. Just increase or decrease your flashlight, and of course if you need it, remove it from your control center.
If you guys have any questions, let us know at the comment below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.